Have you ever seen a YouTube video that you wanted to download as an MP3 song so you could listen to it on your phone or on your other devices? Well, it turns out that it's actually pretty easy to do. I'll show you how to do that now. So if I go to YouTube and look for a song, let's take Cruel Summer, I will go to share. Then I'm going to copy the link that YouTube gives me here. Then I'm going to another website in a new tab called YouTube Downloader. So it's called y2mate. That's the URL, en.y2mate.is. And so what this lets you do is literally just paste any YouTube link, and it's just going to offer you different downloads. And so it essentially what it does, it converts the audio. So you can select audio here, and it lets you select from the different qualities. And so in this case, I want it to be an MP3 file that is 192 kilobytes per second. So that's like the best quality. And then I can just do convert, and it does that. And then click download, and then it opens a bunch of like ads, which I don't recommend you click on, but to basically close that tab. But then if I go into my downloads here, I can see that there is a new file, which is an MP3. And you can see that it's playing once I open it, and the audio quality is actually really good. Um, so that's in essence how you can do it. Obviously, you can select different qualities here. I don't know why you would, because this highest quality is still pretty low though at the actual file size, so it's not like it's going to be like a massive file. But the cool thing here is that it also lets you download a video. So if you didn't want to just have the audio of the song, you could literally just download the video as a whole, and it will do it in an MP4 format. In this case, it can be done in 1080p quality, which is, I think, the quality that the original video is on, hosted on YouTube. But you could also do it you could download it in the lower qualities. But that's how you could do it for a video. So let me just do that quickly as well. I'll just download the 1080p version of it. Obviously, it's a video, so it's taking a little bit longer time. So the video downloaded, again, the website opens some dodgy ads here, which I just close. And if I go to my download files, I can see here that I have an MP4 video, which I can play on this computer or send it on any device, which is pretty handy. That I can view that offline basically. But that's how you do it. That's how you can download a YouTube video as just an audio file and also a video file. So hope that was helpful.